Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I have another unboxing. This is from Creative Notions, and it's their 2025, February 2025 box. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and if you like free quilt patterns and tutorials, come and visit me at my website. Okay, let's open this and see what's in here. This is a heavy box. Got it. Before I open it, I want to tell you this back here is a quilt that was in their last subscription box. That was the December. And this heart quilt pattern, and then this was the mini that you did. This is not the frame that came with it. There's a different one, but I'm using it on something else upstairs. But I made this quilt. I think it's beautiful. And I put a flannel on the back. This was something I had in my stash for a long time. And I really like the way that turned out. Okay, let's see what's in here. Box. Here's the box. And I think I will switch to the overhead camera and show you what it is. So this is going to be the box. I wanted to tell you that this is a bi-monthly subscription, and it's $87. I pay monthly. So when you pay monthly, it's $43.50, and this is with Creative Notions. So, okay, now we'll open it, see what's in here. Okay, let's see what's in the box. You get a paper that tells you about the box, Creative Notions February 2025 subscription, featuring Clara from P&G Fabrics. Welcome to a fresh new year with Creative Notions. We are genuinely excited that you've decided to continue your subscription with us. This year is set to be a thrilling departure from the past as we introduce an incredible pattern designer to our team. You may recognize Carol Thielen from her numerous YouTube videos and books she has authored. Be sure to check her bio on the pattern. Carol will be responsible for creating the main project patterns this year. As a special bonus, a link to quiltnotes.com is included for the subscribers. Skip the rest. Each box will contain 2 kits, mystery quilt block patterns and a mini project. The main quilt kit will be named after the pattern. This month it is called Starburst. And each kit will provide a pattern along with enough fabric to construct the top and binding. The smaller project, Quilter's Candy, will feature Moda Candy, also known as mini charms, which will include enough fabric to complete either the top or the entire project. Additionally, the Tiny Quilt Project will offer a pattern for a quilt block that can be beautifully displayed in a 6-inch frame, allowing you to admire your quilting. Okay, let's see. And there's some other information. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, pretzel rod, country popper caramel pretzel rod. Always get a treat. Oh, and look at that. Oh, those are cute. Quilty clips. Get your hands on these nifty clothespins to help you conquer your quilting or sewing projects, one row or block at a time. They're like your little sewing sidekicks, keeping everything in line. Those are cute. Can you see where it's row 1? It's got A, B, C, D. It's got all the numbers and the alphabet. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is the small project. Bunny Hill Designs, and it looks like it's a pillow. Quilt Candy Projects, so you get that. Those are cute. Raspberry Summer by Sherry and Chelsea. I love their fabrics. And then it looks like a white background. So that's everything we need to make that. And here is our big project. And I like it. It comes in a bag. These are so nice. Let's open it up. Oh. Okay. Starburst design. It's pretty. So it looks like it's the same block. It's a starburst star design that you'll be making in different colors. Okay, let me see what this is. Oh, let me see. Choose 3 fabrics and the cutting is easy. Just cut squares in 2 sizes and then it's a stitch and flip. Not sure how much fabric is here. We'll find out. Okay, there's the paisley. Then you've got this peach, the brown. That's a beautiful color. And it looks like that's what you have. And I believe, I'm not sure how much there is. There's a lot of fabric here. Oops. Okay, there is almost 2 yards of each fabric. So there's enough to make the quilt. Sorry. Kind of made a mess. And then I will bet you this is enough to do the binding. The quilt is 54 by 63. And I think it's going to be beautiful out of these colors. I do. I like that. What else do we get? Let's see. 2025 Mystery Row by Row Quilt Along. Okay, so this is going to be a quilt along. You can see here, and these are the first blocks that are included in here. Got the 4-patch, clouds, and the sunshine block. That's pretty cool. I may end up doing that. I think I will. And then this is a 6.5-inch block, finished block. Make it mini for February. Spin me around. This is going to show you how you can make 4 half-square triangles at one time. Pretty neat. So that is what is in the box for February. What do you think of that? I thought I'd do a little better job of showing you what was in the box for February. This is for our main big project. And there are 2 yards of each fabric. You have this beautiful brown, this peach, and the paisley. They're beautiful. And then this is for the binding. The quilt is by Carol Thielen, and it's called Starburst. That will be fun to make. I think it'll be a beautiful quilt. Okay, then we also had the small project, the mini project. And this is called Hello Summer, and I'm going to open it. You get the mini charm pack, Raspberry Summer by Sherry and Chelsea. And I have got a layer cake of these. I love them. And also, you received Moda Candy, is what this is called. And You get about 30 inches. This is for a pillow. And it's got a little applique on it. So that's our mini project. Notions, this is what I received. These are cute. I know I'll be using these. It's a great way. So it clips off. There it is. You can see, so that you can, like when I was just making my stacks quilt, I could have put like A, B, C, put it on them. Nice. And then you also have the quilt along. All the directions to make it. And this month, we'll be doing the top row. Probably, it'll be interesting to see how fast we do it. This one's going to be 71 by 83. I forgot to say, on this one, that's going to be 54 by 63. And then you have your mini spin me around, where you make 4 half square triangles at one time. And then, of course, your treat. So that was what was in the February box. So I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in here. And I can't wait to get started on making everything. Thank you. So let me know what you thought of what was in the Creative Notions box for February. Like I said, fabrics are beautiful. There are 2 yards of each piece, plus the binding. So I'll be making that quilt. Your mini, which is a cute little pillow. I'll make that. And then we also have the Garden of Sunshine 2025 mystery quilt. This will be fun. And everything, this came in the bag. These are great. I use these all the time. So let me know what you think of this, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. Thank you.